Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to plan a luxury boat party with Sailo. And this is quite simple because what we want to do now is we go here to trips and then plan new trip. Then right now we can search for a place where we want to book something. So let's say we are in Monaco, something like that. For example, click on Monaco. And then right now you see here a lot of boats, but right now we can go to the filter and then select here party and then do apply. Then right now you see all the party boats options, but right now we have here the fantastic Canados 90. So right now we click here on this boat and then from now you see here the width, the guests, there's a captain and you see here more details. Then right now what we want to do is click here on book, then select for how many guests you want to book this boat. So let's say for 20, click here on the pick date. So let's say today, apply, and then right now click on checkout. Then you see here the date. So on Wednesday, June 18th, we rent this boat. Now there's a captain included, fuel is not included, so that will come maybe later. Then pay the total now and you are all set. Now select that. The price details are this. The boat price is 7797. The service fee is 732. Now refundable security deposit is also necessary. Then fill in here your phone number. And then fill in here your credit card details. Now you can also send the owner a message, something with bring some bottles with it or whatever you like. And then after this, click here on I agree the cancellation policy and terms of service, and I'm at least 18 years old. Now also list the cancellation policy because it's strict. Full refund if renter cancels 31 days or more before the trip start date. So no refund if renter cancels 30 days or less before. So keep in mind 30 days before you need to cancel to get a fully refund. Now click on submit booking and then you can book this party boat with Sailo. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.